In this video, I will show you how to add dark glow effects in CapCut. So you can add the dark glow effects to object, image, or the entire video. So all you have to do now, after you open up the CapCut like this, for this video, I'll use objects. So I'll go to this text. So I'll click on this text. Now here is my text. So all I have to do now, I'll just select the text, go to this option and delete all the text. After I deleted all my text, now I'll type in an object. So I'll just use a full stop. After I type in the full stop, now I'll increase the size of the full stop. After I increase the size, I will now take it to. So now here is now my new object. It gave me a cycle object. So if you want to add the dark glow effect to this object, now select the object like this, and then go to this text, basics, then scroll to down under the basics. If you scroll to down, so here is the glow. So check on this glow. After I check on the glow, so as you can see now it give me the glow at the bottom. I'll choose this one, then click on this color, and then go ahead and drag it to the black. So now as you can see now I get dark glow effect. So now if you want to increase the range or the intensity, scroll to down. So there is two settings, range and intensity. Range will increase the, as you can see now, the size of the glow. So and the intensity will increase the thickness of the glow. So I'll use just the range. So now I add the dark glow effect to my object in CapCut. Now you can follow the same way to add the dark effects to a text or image. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.